Hi, welcome back to the Lawson Family Plumbing DIY YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to diagnose and repair a leaking toilet. We're actually going to be going ahead and cutting open a toilet for you so that you have a better look of the inside components. We're going to be doing that outside so we don't make a mess, so here we go.
Alright, so what we have here is we have a toilet, cut the front of it off, put some plexiglass and sealed it up. What we're going to do is we're going to recreate a flapper that has failed. One of the ways that you could do that at home to see if it is your flapper is you could take some food coloring, drop a couple drops right in there. It might take a minute for it to kind of mix around. And then if you give it 10 to 15 minutes or so, if it's your flapper that's leaking, you'll see the blue food coloring show up in the bowl of your toilet. So we gave it about 5 minutes or so. Flapper is leaking the water through. You can see down in here the blue dye in the bowl. That's an indication that your flapper right here has failed, pulling the water into the bowl. Little things you can do to fix that. Simple fix. You just pull this flapper off right here and attach this chain and pretty much put it right back on the same way it came off. So what you'll do after you get your old flapper removed, you're going to take your new one and clip it on these two tabs right here. Right down in there. And connect this up to your flush lever. Chain might have to be adjusted to get a proper flush so you don't have to hold down your handle. Go ahead and turn water back on. And what you could do once you get that flapper replaced is you could add another drop of this just to be sure that you did fix the problem correctly. Give it about 10-15 minutes, see if you see any of the blue dye in the bowl, and you should be good to go. Alright, so we gave it about another 10 minutes. As you can see, replacing the flapper did take care of it. Look down inside your bowl, water is clear. There's no water seeping from your tank into the bowl. One of the indications that your flapper could have failed is your fill valve constantly kicking on and off. You might hear something like this. If you're hearing that frequently, there's a good chance that your flapper has failed. You might want to do this test to see if you can take care of it at home yourself.